Okay, we have a rotational exercise to help with the spinal erectors. So most of us have a deficiency, an imbalance between the spinal erectors. So in Jolene's case, the left side is the weaker, less dominant. The right side is much stronger. You can feel much more muscle, right? So we're going to be doing a rowing exercise. So we've got a good band on this side, we're going to be rowing, and then we have a band over here, we're going to be doing less intensity pressing to get a lot of rotation. So we're going to set ourselves up, plenty of knee padding. We're going to make sure that the foot stays up nice and tall, and we're going to set ourselves where with a good heavy band, you're going to feel it with the pull and the rotation. You're going to get a lot of work going here. We want a 60% workload compared to a 40%, or maybe even a little bit more, something closer to 70 to 30. So we're going to be doing a chest press, you'll see, with this other band. So this is pretty much a partner band, unless you can set up a post behind you and have somebody have that other band pulled off. So we are all set up. We're going to be keeping the heads very still and forward. So we're going to notice that, please. And of course the hips are not supposed to move. Now right now it looks like we're kind of leaning back. So there we go. We need the abs turned on and we're not leaning backwards. And so feel like you're kind of crunching forward. All right, we are all set up, ready, set, and let's start demonstrating. And so we're going to pull and press real quick, get a lot of body rotation. We're going to pause, freeze for an isometric hold for a good moment, and then we're going to count to at least 5 as we release both bands and turning and rotating again, keeping the head forward and nice and still. And pull, press really fast, pause, hold for a good solid moment. That's that isometric contraction, which is great for helping teach a non-dominant muscle, a weaker muscle in an imbalanced pair, how to really get activated. And press and pull and press. The focus I've heard is the pull and then the press. There we go. And so if you're doing this as a partner exercise, the person who's holding the band for the chest press piece, let's tuck that elbow in a little bit more there, please, for that. There we go. And there we go. And tucking that elbow in actually is going to help with the rotation. So the person who's doing the exercise, they have to tell the person with the band for the chest press to maybe back up, tighten it up, or lighten it up. The chest press is not supposed to be a hard piece. It's supposed to be a complementary piece in the rotation. You're doing great. So this foot down here behind us, let's try to turn that heel out to the left. So that's something the partner can keep an eye on for there. And we're going to turn hard fast. That was great, keeping the head still. And this is a kneeling row press. The press complements the row, and this is for help building up the weak side of the back. And let's rest. Come back to a rest. And so freeze, please. So if our non-dominant side is the rowing side, and we do twice as many reps on this side. So if you start off your first set, you find out, okay, my weaker side can only do 10 reps at the distance from the bar with the band. Then you come over to your dominant side, you only do half the number of reps, because we don't want to build this side stronger and stronger. We need to bring the weak side up to match.